Hi, my name is Phil. I live in Jupiter, Florida. I bought my building here from Eversafe Buildings. Their engineers helped me to design and figure out exactly what I needed. They did a great job pulling the permits. They helped me with everything along the way. For my budget, the best option was to build the building and add the lean-to on the side. And I was able to come back later and enclose it to make a dry storage for my machines and then create a little office in the back. I believe that's a 10-foot tall roll-up door on the front. I did that because I wanted to be able to fit my RV in an emergency, and if there's a hurricane or a storm, or if I want to park the RV, it just fits in the building. I've never had any trouble with the roll-up door. I think it was a great option. I added a secondary entry on the side, and it's worked out great for me. And their installers were spectacular. They all worked cohesively together. They knew what they were doing. They knew how to do it. There was no question. This whole building you see went up in just a couple of days. I'm really happy with Eversafe Buildings. They've helped me every step of the way, and I couldn't be more pleased. I highly recommend an Eversafe building.